everybody. Welcome back to Touchy Reactions.
Hey.
I have my wonderful husband, Ryan.
I got my beautiful wife, Cindy, here.
Hey.
We are doing another fun tasting snacks from around the world video. We got another box here from Treats. We're going to do an opening up here. We're going to see what's in the box. We'll take everything down to the studio and we'll taste everything, see how it tastes. Ready to jump into it?
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, here we go. Here's the box from Treats. Let's see where it's from today. They give us a little thank you, Touchy Reactions letter thing in here. If I'm not wrong, this is the flag of Croatia. But let's check and see if I am correct. I hate to tear it, but it's what they're using for the sticker here. Let's see here. Dubrovnik, Croatia? Yes, that's correct. And then we got some welcome to Serbia and Croatia. That's the treats from that part of the world. Never ever been there, don't know what to expect. So give us this little card in here that tells us a little bit of facts about Croatia. Here's a list of what all's inside the box. We'll go ahead and pull things out one at a time and check those out. Let's see what we got here. This is something called Kesten dessert. No idea what that is. We'll try that a little later. Next we got the Kokos dessert. Looks like it's got some coconut in it. We like a little coconut. Maybe it's like a what's the thing I'm
like
thinking?
almond joys?
Almond joy, yeah. This one's called Bananko. It says banana. It looks like it's got a picture of a banana on it and a monkey, so I'm guessing it's some sort of banana flavored treat.
Interesting.
Yes. Next we've got Animal Kingdom milk chocolate by Cross. Okay. Interesting. This is kind of heavy. Whatever this is, it's Euro something. It's got a sticker over top of it. But I'm guessing maybe that word is cream or Eurocrem bar.
Okay.
Milk and cocoa product with hazelnut. Okay.
Oh, yum.
Yum. They got a lot of chocolate in this one. The last one we had didn't have any chocolate.
I'm so happy for chocolate.
Right. All right, then we got something called Tortica. It looks like maybe a Kit Kat.
A wafer type thing? Okay.
All right. By Cross. Cross must be the big snack maker over there. And Eurocrem again. This looks like a cornet. I see some nuts. I see some cream. This almost looks like a
ice cream cone.
kind of like an ice cream cone. Yeah. Dropped it. Yeah, that looks interesting. Next we got these look like
Pretzel sticks?
Pretzel sticks. Yep.
Okay.
No added colors. See so. I'm not a huge pretzel fan, but Cindy is, so she'll enjoy those. Saltas sticks. These also look like pretzel sticks.
What if they're spicy hot?
I don't know. They have red, but they might just be another different brand of pretzel sticks. And finally, we have Smoki original fresh baked peanuts. They look like maybe a
like a cheese puffs.
Cheese puffs kind of, but if it's original flavor, it might not have cheesy flavor. So, all right, let's go ahead and head on downstairs and taste these things. There they are. Ready?
Sounds good. Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we're back downstairs in the studio now, so we're going to go ahead and start tasting this stuff. The first thing on our list is, what's it called?
Kokos.
Kokos. So go ahead and open that up. All right, Cindy, go ahead and try it. Let me know what you think. You're a fan of the coconut flavored candies.
Mm-hmm. It's really creamy.
Oh, very.
It's creamier than the almond joys, because almond joys to me sometimes are dry.
Yeah, this has a nice balance of flavor between the chocolate and the almond.
It's not too overpowering.
The coconut, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
And I really like it. Delicious. Very nice. All right, so far, obviously, that's our favorite. So next, we're going to be checking out the Eurocrem mini cornet. Looks like an ice cream cone, but we don't know. We'll unwrap it and see. All right, so it does look like an ice cream cone, but it's got at the top here, it's split in between what looks like cream and chocolate.
So I'm just going to take a bite from this side.
Yeah.
And you can take a bite from the other side.
Make sure you get both flavors there. All right.
Oh, it's really creamy.
Oh, it's flaky. Dogs will be happy. We got some stuff on the floor there. All right, so it's got the consistency almost like peanut butter.
Yeah. I was going to say it's really thick.
It's got the consistency of peanut butter with the two different flavors. Chocolate on one side, cream on the other.
I like the cone is really tasty.
Ice cream cone is very nice. It might be a little lightly sugared. Very nice. It's very
Rich.
Very rich. So for someone who doesn't like very rich things, this might not be for you, but I can see me eating one of these. I'd have to take my time with it though, because of how rich it is. You might just want to eat this in slow installments. But yeah, very tasty. Yummy. I'll take one more bite. I'm going to the chocolate side.
I'm gonna take the vanilla side then.
Okay. All right. I think between the two of them so far, I'm still gonna go with the first one as my favorite, just because of how rich this one is. I don't like anything to be super.
It almost gives like a fudge vibe.
A little bit. All right, let's see what's next. All right, next we're going to be checking out the Saltas pretzel sticks by Kesten. You ready?
Yes. I'm going to use some scissors here.
Yeah, nice clean.
Nice and clean.
All right. Cindy is a huge pretzel fan. I tolerate pretzels from time to time, but I will
They're
go
really
ahead.
thin.
For the sake of this video, I will taste it. Right now.
Baked and salted.
Tastes exactly like a pretzel. So nothing really special about this one. I mean, we have these in the States, of course.
It's a lighter pretzel. Our pretzels are more heavier.
Oh, like the flavor's less intense?
I think the flour, like they use a different flour.
Maybe. As a pretzel connoisseur, how do you like it?
They're nice. They're light. I mean, sometimes pretzels are so big and they dry your mouth out. Mm-hmm. But this doesn't.
All right. There you go. Of the three things we've tried so far, where does it rank? As a snack.
For me, number 2.
Number 2. What's your number 1 right now?
The cocoa.
Okay, so we're both in agreement so far. The coconut one, and then actually, I'd probably still take this over the cornet, just because the richness of that cornet. All right, next we're going to be checking out the Eurocrem Blok by Takovo. It's like it describes it as a chocolate and hazelnut based dessert. All right, we've broken off a piece of it here. We're going to break it in half. There we go, making a little mess. There we go. I think it might have melted a little bit on the way here, but all right, so the hazelnut is there, but it's not overpowering.
No, it's not overpowering.
It has a subtle taste of hazelnut. Not too sweet. I like it.
It's got like a cocoa chocolate taste to it.
Yeah, it's very subtle. Compared to the super heavy one that we tried second, this one's a little more tolerable as far as
sweetness goes.
Not too intense.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed that quite a bit. I think I might put that second on my list, behind the coconut one that we started with.
That would be third on mine.
Okay, but behind the pretzels? Okay. All right, what's next? All right, next we're going to be checking out Animal Kingdom by Cross. This is a chocolate mascot on a stick, and it can either be a bear, a bunny, a cat, a dog, or an elephant. You're not supposed to know what it is until you open it.
I want to say elephant.
Okay, and who knows, this might have melted on the way to us, so hopefully we can still tell what the animal is.
Let's see here. Oh, they give you a picture of it, the raccoon.
Oh, is that a lemur?
I think. I don't know. Is it?
Okay, so inside the wrapper, there is a picture of a lemur.
Well, that's cool.
And we're still working our way into the chocolate. Oh, I guess like for kids, this is a way to teach them different animals by including pictures of the animals in the candy.
I'm opening it up very careful because it kind of cracked.
Let's show. All right, so it's a little melted. We'll show you guys at home. It's a little bit melted, and it looks like it was originally divided into squares of some sort. We'll get a video of it here. All right, so it was a little bit melted, but it's got a little.
Did you want to take a picture of it, or you already did? Here, break this in half.
Okay, put that over here.
Okay.
All right, we'll go ahead and try this. Just looks like chocolate. I like it. More of a milk chocolate.
More of a milk chocolate, like a Nestle's chocolate, like kids love.
Tastes just like a Hershey Kiss, maybe.
Or Cadbury Eggish.
A little bit.
Creamy.
Yep. Nothing razzle dazzle about it. It's basically just a chocolate bar, but
it's lovely.
It's a nice flavor. We'll definitely finish that today. All right, next we're going to be checking out the Prima pretzel sticks by Stark. Stark automatically makes me think of Iron Man. So,
I know. I was like, as soon as you said Stark, I was like,
Stark Industry pretzel sticks.
Okay.
These could have come out of the same factory as the other ones.
They're a little different, though.
Are they?
Yeah.
Get one of the other ones and try them both next to each other to see if the flavor's different. Let me try one of the other ones.
These are thicker.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're a little thicker.
See the difference?
Yeah, so the first one on top here was the first one we tried. The second one is pretty much the same, but a little bit girthier, if I guess would be the right word, or thicker.
Thicker.
Yep.
I could totally see myself eating some of these watching football.
Yeah, you're a big fan of pretzels. You now have 2 bags of pretzels to tie you over while you're watching TV. All right. Even as someone who's not a huge fan of pretzels, it's tasty. I like it. I like the crunch. All right, next we're going to be checking out the Smoki by Stark. Once again, Stark Industries.
Hey, not too bad.
This is supposed to be a peanut flavored kind of puff. Let's take one.
You love peanuts, though.
I don't think I've ever had a potato chip or a puff that tastes like peanuts.
I know, right? This is pretty tasty.
That's so interesting. I mean, normally if you want a peanut taste, you eat peanuts, but this is I mean, they make flavors of different chip, pickles, and ketchup, and all kinds of stuff.
You're going to laugh, but Captain Crunch used to make a peanut butter crunch. And he was sweet. And it was like this texture, but it had sweetness in it.
Yeah, it's got...
This is savory. This is nice.
I like the crunch on this. I didn't expect it to be as crunchy. And the flavor is a little more intense than eating peanuts. It's like... It's the peanut flavor, but it's a little, like, intense. I like it. Let me see what... I don't know if this will take my first place away, but... this one definitely has a robust flavor to it.
It does.
All right, next we're going to be checking out the Bananko bar by Cross. We're guessing, obviously, this is going to be a banana-flavored...
It's a banana shaped, right?
Yeah. I'm just going to take a big bite off here. Oh! I'm not going to spoil it for you.
Here.
Wow, I like that a lot. That is really good. This just took over as my favorite.
Not mine.
Really? You don't like that?
It feels weird in my mouth.
I was going to say the texture is not what I expected. It's more of a kind of a foam flavor or texture. It's kind of
like
a foamy
a foamy taffy flavor.
But the flavor is really nice. If you like banana flavor, it's a really intense banana. So for me, I tend to enjoy things that have an intense flavor, and this is a very intense banana chocolatey kind of thing. So pleasantly surprised by the banana. When we go to Croatia, I'll make sure to get some Bananko. All right, what's next? Okay, next we're going to be checking out the Tortica bar by Cross. This looks like a Kit Kat on the picture, so
but it's dark chocolate though, right?
That's the flavor I'm expecting. It did say dark chocolate on the description. All right.
I did.
I'm gonna take a bite for the picture. It's very Kit Kat-esque, but with a dark chocolate, which I don't think I've done before. I like it though.
I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, so let's see how I think of it.
Here, let's see how you like it.
Okay.
Take a bite off the corner.
Oh, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, as far as dark chocolate goes, it's kind of got a little sweeter of a taste.
Yeah, it's not a bad dark chocolate.
Damn. This is going to be giving the banana a run for its money. For me. I like it.
You like it?
Yep, very, very tasty. Alright, so far we've gone through all of them but one. Do you have a favorite so far?
I'm a coconut fan. I really like that coconut flavor.
So we came right out the gate with your favorite one so far.
We did. Yeah.
I got converted. The coconut was my favorite, and then it moved to the banana, but I think this last one that we just did, it's like a Kit Kat, might be giving the banana a run for its money. Alright, what's left? We got one more left. Kesten Chestnut by Pinor. This chocolate bar is a spectacular dessert made with a combination of quality milk chocolate and whole chestnuts for a perfectly sweet and unique treat. Chestnuts. I don't think I've ever had chestnuts in a...
Never had chestnuts either.
In a candy. Go ahead and open it up.
Oh, that kind of traveled really nicely.
Yeah. Came out pretty good. Take a little bite of it.
I'll take a little bite.
Very similar to the first one we had as far as consistency.
Mm-hmm. Not really the same consistency as the first one. It's more of a powdery.
I mean, as far as the crunch kind of factor.
It's kind of powdery.
It does have a little bit. It's not overpowering.
It's not overpowering. It's like if you were to grind up a peanut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't think I've ever had a hazelnut. No, what they call it?
Chestnut.
Chestnut. I don't think I've ever had a chestnut chocolate treat before. I don't know. I think I don't like it.
Yeah.
Is this the same company? Pinot? Yeah, this is the same company that did the one at the beginning. So that's why the shape and the texture probably are the same. They probably use similar machines to make them. But it's just a different filling. In this case, it's hazelnut, and the first one it was coconut. And obviously, between the two of them, we prefer the coconut because
that was good.
it's just a little different. All right, that is it. Let's go ahead and rank these, favorite to least favorite.
Okay. Mine kind of stayed consistency. Like, my favorite is going to be the coconut.
Yep. Cindy loves coconut, so I'm not surprised. I figured it'd be between the coconut and the pretzels for you because you're a big fan of the pretzels.
And then comes the smaller coconut or the smaller pretzel stick.
What was your least favorite? Which one do you not want to ever taste again?
The banana one.
Yeah, not a fan of the banana one? Okay.
No more banana.
For me, I'm going to go with the, I think if I'm being honest, the one that was like a Kit Kat, the one that was
oh yeah,
the Tortica Wafer. I think that's going to end up being my favorite. But it was really close battle between that one, the banana, and the coconut for me. So, and my least favorite, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of pretzels, but even they were probably, you know what, this last one we tried, the Kesten Chestnut by Pinot.
Is that your least?
I don't want to have any more of that. I'll just say that.
Yeah,
if you told me you have to eat the rest of this or you have to eat some pretzels, I'd probably still go with pretzels. So, not a fan of the hazelnut one. But it was fun to be able to try some new flavors from around the world. So shout out to everybody from Serbia and Croatia. Let us know of these snacks, which one is your favorite in the comments. And shout out to the folks over at Treats. Thank you for sending us this box. With each box, you not only get the delicious treats to try, but they also send you a little bit of information about all the places that the food is from, a little postcard kind of thing, show you a picture. A little fun facts sheet that has all kinds of Croatia facts, Serbia facts, did you know facts, things like that about the different countries.
And that's so cool to help kids learn about the world
right.
just different things.
This would be a great thing for a family to do with their kids, just kind of show them how things are different around the world. And then you also get like a sheet that explains all about all the different treats that come in the box, who makes them, what's in them, that kind of thing. And on the back, you can actually rate which ones you like best, which ones you like least, that kind of thing. Just kind of a fun little game to play. And that's what you get when you order a box from Treats. If you decide you might want to try a box from Treats, go over to their website. If you use code TOUCHYREACTIONS, when you check out, you'll save 15% on your first box. And let us know in the comments if you got a box, where it was from, and what you thought about it. So that is it for this video. Cindy, thank you for joining me.
You're welcome.
And for anybody who stuck around here to the very end, we appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget to come on back.
Bye. If you enjoyed that video, YouTube has an algorithm that knows everything you like and knows that you like this.
Come check it out.
You know you wanna.
We listen to great music by artists from all over the world. So if you've never heard of this person or this group, come check them out.